What's up YouTube, it is me Vogel, and today I've decided to make another one in my unboxing videos. Mainly because I got a cool birthday present and I want to unbox it for you. So today we're going to be unboxing the HyperX QuadCast USB microphone. This is, I believe, what people recommend is one of the best microphones if you're doing recording for gaming or anything like that, or for YouTube. So that's why I bought it. Hopefully make some YouTube videos that will sound better. So I'll open that up without stabbing myself in the face, which is always good. Right off the bat, we got instructions there, and we got some packaging. Oh dear, all right. Box. I am so afraid to see how this opens up. Pull. It says pull. Well, there we go. Cool, so open that up. What do we got? We got, this is a thing. This is a mount adapter. That's pretty cool. We got the microphone in his stand there, so we'll show you guys there. So he's bigger than I was expecting, that's for sure, but it's looking pretty good there. Point is, he's still smaller than a Blue Yeti, which is the other one I was considering getting. We also have a cable there, and I don't believe that's anything. Yeah, so on the microphone, got this nice little hanging stand thing. I think it's supposed to be shock absorbing, which is nice. We've got a built-in filter that should help with all those P sounds that go on occasion in mics. That's always good. Adjustable there. Guess we can tighten that. Yep. On the back there, we've got some settings. I'm guessing, if we look at the thing, that's the polar pattern adjustment, so that's nice and easy to use. We've got the port there for headphones and a USB, which is very hard to see for you guys because it's behind the stand. We've got something down the bottom. What am I turning? Down the bottom we've got the, I think that's the, what's big, gain control. So we've got settings that we can play with there. On the top, we press on that, and that's how we mute it. And I believe it lights up when it's on, and it doesn't when it's muted, so that's how you know. But yeah, so overall, that's a pretty exciting microphone. I'm very excited to get it set up and do some recording with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please make sure you give it a like. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!